Hello friends, welcome to Alphabet Yoga. The letter V is for volcano. Hands by your sides, jump wide to a volcano position. Jump to the middle. Jump out wide, volcano position, back to the middle. Let's speed it up. Wide, middle, there you are. And hold position. Hands to your heart. Explode your volcanoes. Hands stretching high, out wide. Lava's pouring down one leg. Now lava's pouring down the other leg. Back to center. Hands to your heart. Explode your volcanoes to the sky. Reach wide, fold into your volcanoes. Hands on your heart. Lift high and explode your volcano. Reach wide. Fold into your volcano. Hands on your heart. Lift and explode your volcano. Stretch it really wide. Fold into your volcano. Hands on your heart. Come up to standing. Jump in the middle. The letter V is for volcano.